Hello, this is Mr. Woodruff. I'm here for a quick demonstration today. In front of me you can see a Bunsen burner going. You should be able to see that nice blue flame in front of me. And what I have is what's called a ball and ring apparatus. And this is simply a ball on a stick and a ring on a stick. But the cool thing about it is that both of these are made out of metal, and the ball is just the right size to fit through the ring. So it's a little bit tight, but it does fit through. So the ball is about the same size as the ring, a little bit smaller than the ring, so the ball can fit through the ring. But you can see that I can stick the ball through the ring, right? All right, no tricks there. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the ball and I'm going to heat it on the flame, all right? And I'm going to rotate it right about at the top of that nice blue flame. And this is obviously going to heat up the ball, okay? And I'm going to try to heat up the ball as quickly as I can for the purposes of this demonstration. So I'm going to keep it right at the tip of that blue flame. Okay, and so as I'm heating up this ball, I have a question for you. After I heat up the ball, will the ball still fit through the ring? It's a simple question, right? Do you think that the heat will change the ball at all to make it so it won't fit through the ring anymore? And if you take it one step further, what might cause that change, if there is a change? So let's look. I'll let you think about that for a minute as I continue to heat up the ball. Make sure I get it nice and hot. Okay, so I think that's probably enough time. So I've rotated the ball, kept it on the top of that flame to try to get it nice and hot. And you know from experience probably that metal conducts heat very well. It's often why we use things like metal to make pans and pots, things that we cook on the stove. So that's probably enough time. I'm sure that the ball has gotten nice and hot. In fact, I can start to see a little bit of a color change. Looks like it's glowing a little bit red. So I think we're good to go. So let's try it out. So I have my ring, I have my ball. I'm gonna try to stick the ball through the ring, and actually I can't do it. And I'll try to put some force behind it so you can hear it, right? But you can hear that I can't get that ball through the ring, even if I press pretty hard. I'll actually turn the ring on the wooden handle there. Try to get that tight again. Okay, but I can't get the ball through the ring. Okay, the ball simply will not go through the ring after being heated, right? However, okay, I'll show this one more time, get it nice and hot. Ooh, it's nice and hot, I can see it. Okay, try to put the ball through the ring, and it will not go. You can hear that really nice, right? And see, like I'm actually trying to force it through and I can't, all right? So now, why did that happen? What's up with that? As Kenan Thompson would say on SNL. All right, well, what do you think is going to happen if I cool down the ball? So I've got some water here. I'm going to stick it in the water. You could hear how hot that ball was, right? So now it's nice and cool because I put it in the water. Will the ball fit through the ring again? What do you think? Well, let's try it out, right? So ball, ring. Look at that. Ball goes right through the ring after I cooled it back down. So what happened? Why did that happen? Let's have a discussion about that.